We all accept the notion that life is difficult and very insidious, and that to navigate through it, one has to take positions. This acceptance conditions our brain systematically, and then soon the brain adapts to it, generating a sense of familiarity determined by the position we have chosen. Then we call it in various ways, like nationality, ethnicity, the religious faith we belong to, beliefs, and so on. This condition is the primary source of conflict. This is what we all should study very seriously in the first place. So to understand this mechanism, trying to come up with something better.